sifa pemansa.
It is said that the president akaso on penetrate third term bid on peniso. Then your man when you established.
Okay.
Until say obabe kaso or peno waka. And we expect say ubi a man penny dear obey a man of his words. But that said, me doc and Mr. Amo and will be a OTB what problem would say yeah court tested constitution in your reason in you. Problem me okay.
I have not said say or no right now in me say we no more and I'm talking about the effect of it.
Okay.
But somebody is sending it to court.
Okay.
Someone can say a waste of time. But he did not say he's against the person sending it to court. Send the court your machinations be
right. Now
we are not against that.
Make me feel say sa kwagmai we need clarity. Because say be ene this in a teso John Mahama His Excellency. And ye can say ya ye nim the basic china and democracy as a system no ye good so no ye perfect system na ye koye nim. Look ye ti krom ha and the Supreme Court be catch and say see a proof of nationality a birth setting ka ho krom we mu ne yete Supreme Court krom we mu ne yete and so na Ghana ni bia on say Ghana ni bia dream just court aba da braka omo se da bi enka ho omo na de mara na show omo nsa se omo enchichire omo say to them birth setting na de Ghana card any de passport enka ho but passport here proof of nationality but birth setting na the primary requirement enka ho e be see na ye mra do emra sisi ukra birth setting unkura hwe you ma catch so nya Ghana ni anytime any day anywhere you can't say anything because I am right until say there will be a review of that particular emranos a case like that honor now sad asemi ya ken consecutive any apem no kwene say nyepe and even though okamuka 8 years but e hoso na mesi o kakra they could have introduced word bi and a phrase bi and now mo bet me frame in a way anka be beti ye the way course what there mo a isi Ghana ha nyina mo na mo kire de enye no mo na mo ye court for mo kire de ya mo na mo tumi kire say birth set hu ya passport na ye yate yini asembia na ye ka sim kwa birth set hu kra hwe yate see e wa kra o mention hospital confront see e ba na birth set no Supreme Court say hu ya yate
e betimi ne bok e betimi na betimi akọ wo ho the man birth set it no money be Burkina no so ebetun so afọ so nya Ghana passport no so Ghana ni enti for me I think say yen share their court ne beka court ne kan because the president enya akento no de enya dia sa whatever decision the court will bring even when the court admit say obe review and also obe interpret ya menye sure say President Mahama interested in this kwaka enti de obeba biem ene de be si daache ana ye hwe ne sisi e and for me se be clear say a consecutive and I apemu omonka na nya explicit na emphasize we ni nyina because we no o kan ade na hu se o kra na wo kan ade na it didn't really state say a consecutive e kan 8 years it is say hu se kan 8 years mpo a se na doc kan no sa 6 months no e be kan His Excellency the one nko 8 years 6 months but on to mra because samra na so na sa ka se man pani bi free mu a so there are a lot of you see emra to say nipa o nipa nyini nipa sesa emra so nyini mra sesa it is a true flood in hon sem a I will quote the land use and spatial planning me quote am won say emra eba ye ncheye eba ye ncheye ye nyusu ye no nsusanso ne yehu enti emra de e wo ho no mo ne tse nipa ye gusu na no we have to ensure that say ekuro tu asi emi ekuro no say onsebu asi etwe asi emi ekuro so no de bi ba ko ne ya nwene say ekuro betuma tu ne nantine tu ne yemiam sanete so for me it is good that the Supreme Court really bring a finality to this matter and whatever they say no meaning say the current president onye interested waka onye interested but that chinti na ya hwe say no be say quotation enti
Evans, that is my take on that particular one. Yeah.
All right. I feel you mungram ewo sanitation. Enra day one of the national sanitation. Yako fasa anima we nyina ba nyese bia na ye ni